Hi children, Hare Krishna and Namaste. Here I am once again with all of you. You are all waiting when I will reveal the winners of the last week quiz. But hold on, I will reveal the names, but at the end of today's story. So last week we saw how Hanuman on the way to Lanka came across the first hurdle in the form of Mainak Parvat. We also saw how Hanuman conquered this hurdle and continued his journey towards his goal of reaching Lanka. When Hanuman was thus flying across the ocean, suddenly from the middle of the ocean, a huge Rakshasi came out. She had her mouth wide open. She was Surasa. She told Hanuman, I have a benediction from Lord Brahma that anybody who flies over this ocean has to enter my mouth and become my food. So now you enter my mouth and become my food. Seeing this huge Rakshasi, Hanuman could not think about anything. He said, I don't care about your benediction. I am on the goal to reach Lanka to find Mother Sita. Hearing this, the Rakshasi became very wide. She opened her mouth so wide that she could gobble up Hanuman. Hanuman, seeing this, increased his size to 10 yojanas. Surasa increased her mouth size to 20 yojanas. Then Hanuman increased himself to 30 yojanas. Surasa's mouth became 40 yojanas wide. It went on and on till 100 yojanas. Now, suddenly Hanuman realized, what am I doing here? My goal is to go to Lanka and I am just competing with this Rakshasi. Let me reduce myself. He reduced himself to the size of a small fly and entered Surasa's mouth and quickly came out. Seeing this, Surasa was astonished. She started laughing. She was very impressed by Hanuman's intelligence and said, you will be victorious. And Hanuman continued his journey towards Lanka. Friends, what is the lesson we get from this story? We are all in every day competing with each other like Surasa. We want to become better than others. At the same time, we tend to forget our goal. Children, become humble and focus on your goal. Do not get trapped in the competitive spirit and keep aiming to the goal. Children, what is the take-home lesson from today's story? Like Surasa, we all are in the competitive mood to become superior to others. What happened in this case? Hanuman wanted to be better than Surasa, Surasa wanted to be better than Hanuman, and similarly, we are all doing the same thing in our day-to-day life. In this process, we might lose our focus on our goal. We all have certain ambitions in our life. How to overcome this problem of competitiveness? What did Hanuman do? He immediately became humble and reduced himself to the size of a fly. Similarly, if we are humble in our activities, we can overcome this obstacle of competitiveness and achieve our goal. And now, time for some questions. Question number 1. Who gave the benediction to Surasa? Question number 2. To what size did Hanuman reduce himself? I repeat. Question number 1. Who gave the benediction to Surasa? Question number 2. To what size did Hanuman reduce himself? All you have to do is give your answers by 10 a.m. tomorrow to your respective center teachers. And you all know the first person from every center who gives the right answer, his or her name will be taken in my next video. It's not the end. You are all waiting to know who the winners of the last week are. And now, answers to the last week's questions. Question number 1 was, who was Sampati? The answer is, he was the elder brother of Jatayu. What was the distance travelled by Hanuman to Lanka? The right answer is 100 yojanas. Third question was, from where did Hanuman jump? The answer to this was Mahendra Parvat. And now I am going to reveal the names of those children who gave the right answers from each center. From Kalpatru Center, Krishna Goswami. From Deepak Hospital Center, Miska Gujarati. Aditi Gupta from Poonam Sagar Complex. Rito Chetas Samanta from Binder. Pratiksha from Lodha Aqua and Maya from Srishti Sector 2. Congratulations to all the 6 wonderful children. See you next week, same time. But wait, if you like this video, subscribe it, like it and share it.